Hey folks, Mr. Dell here. I am going to do a problem that has to do with given a rule and finding some information about that situation, specifically a tile pattern. So this problem is a CPM course 3, and this is section 4.1.7 and number 4-69. So it says for a tile pattern with the rule y is equal to 6x plus 4, then it gives me some explanation where x represents the figure number and y represents the number of tiles. It wants to know which figure number has 40 tiles in it. Okay, so x represents the figure number, y represents the number of tiles. So given this rule, y is equal to 6x plus 4, again, x is the figure number, y is the number of tiles. It wants to know what figure number, what x, has 40 tiles. That's the y, right? Y is the number of tiles. So what x has 40 tiles? So that means I've got to take and plug in 40 in place of the y. So I want to, instead of using y, I'm going to rewrite this equation and say 40 is equal to 6x plus 4. So I'm wanting to know what is the x that makes this 40. What x do I multiply by 6 and add 4 to get a 40 for the y? That's what I'm asking. So I've got a little equation I can just solve. So I'm going to get my x. I'm going to solve for x. So I subtract 4 from both sides. You do the opposite operations here. You're going to get 36. 40 minus 4 is 36 is equal to 6x. Right? So then I just divide both sides by 6. I'm using my methods of solving equations. And if you need help with that, I've got plenty of videos there. So divide by 6, x is equal to 6. So what does that mean? If x is 6, what I discovered that its figure 6 has 40 tiles. So its figure 6 has 40 tiles. Okay, that's what I just discovered using my rule and backwards mapping my rule to find out what x gives me 40. There you go.